Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right parts and making the job safe. Gather the replacement cylinder, screwdrivers, drill, 1/4-bit, tape measure, and lubricant. Once gathered, unplug the garage door opener and close the door. This prevents accidental movement. Then inspect the existing lock to determine cylinder diameter and whether the bolt is separate or integrated. You should also spray penetrating oil on old fasteners so screws back out cleanly. This saves time when you begin removing the old hardware. You now remove the exterior handle and the interior mounting screws, keeping all parts labeled so reassembly is straightforward. Once the screws are out, pull the old cylinder straight out. Measure the length and cam position so the new cylinder matches 1:1. When fitting, make sure the cam sits flush with the bolt mechanism. Align before inserting the cylinder fully. Insert the new cylinder, secure the retaining screw finger tight. Then torque it snugly so the cylinder can't wobble. Too tight will bind the lock, so test operation gently. You finish by reinstalling both interior and exterior handles, then test the key several times to confirm smooth rotation and full bolt travel. Make sure the garage opener still engages. If electronic, reconnect and reprogram the keypad per manufacturer steps. Once confirmed, apply graphite lubricant to the keyway for durability. If you encounter binding or the bolt won't fully extend, do one key troubleshooting tip. Loosen the mounting screw a quarter turn, realign the cam and cylinder, then retest. Small misalignment is the most common issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.